In this video, I will show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts on the same device without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then simply click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Then go ahead and click on Google account. Verify your identity. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create account. Then you can create for personal use or work on my business Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and click on for my personal use. Then here you go. All you have to do is to enter your first name, your last name right here. Then having entered your name, click on next. Then here you go. Go ahead and set your date of birth. Select your gender. Then go ahead and simply click on next. Then here you go. You have different options right here. Create an email address. Create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. You have different options like this or this or this or better. So you have about 2 different options. You have option 1 and option 2 right here, or better still, create your own Gmail address. Any option you choose right here, all you have to do is to make sure if you want to use this first option, go ahead and click on the first option. Or if you want to use second option, click on the second options right here. Once you choose your option, click on next, and you'll be asked to provide your login password. Enter your login password, and then the account will be successfully added. You can go on and add as many as possible and create as many as possible Gmail accounts on the same device. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.